please feel free. If you like, tell that yes.
English grammar to the student, that will be our first experiment. Okay? He drank up all the water. Here, this where is not the past tense. If I were a king, if I were a king, if I were a king, not the future times. But there is a difference between the time and place.
Follow this pattern. So it's not only the word or the meaningful word, but in a particular sequential way, in a particular pattern, that is the this. Or this may be A, B, O, O, A, B, I, O, lay in the house that Jack did. This is the cat that killed the rat, that ate the mouse, that lay in the house that
Chase the cat that
killed the rat that
kill the rat that lay in the that ate the mole that lay in the house that Jack built.
okay. Up to this much, then I will repeat further. Tell me. Kill the rat that
Kill the
very
rat that ate the
mold that
mole that
lay in the house that
lay in the house that Jack built. This is the dog that chased the cat that eat the rat Jack.
carry on, carry on. This is the cow with the crumpled horn who has chased the dog for long. In came the doctor, in came the nurse, in came the lady with the alligator voice. Mom said the doctor, measles said the nurse, chickenpox said the lady with the alligator voice. Why said the doctor? Why said the nurse? Why said the lady with the alligator voice?
Miss Lucy had a baby.
In a different manner. It's a
Miss
concept that.
Lucy had a baby. She named him Tiny Tim. She put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim.
He drank up.
He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap.
He tried to eat the water.
He tried to eat the bathtub, but it could not go down his throat. Miss Lucy called the doctor. Miss Lucy called the nurse. Miss Lucy called the lady with the alligator.
Why are you going so fast?
Miss Lucy called the nurse. Miss Lucy called the lady with the alligator purse. In came the doctor. In came the nurse. In came the lady with the alligator purse.
Good.
Mum said the doctor. Measles said the nurse. Chickenpox said the lady with the alligator purse. Bye said the doctor. Bye said the nurse. Bye bye said the lady with the alligator purse.
Oh, that's why you are in a hurry.
This is the first time in any DLS you have enjoyed the most in such a kind of interactive session. As sir aptly reflected, that learning language is not only dependent upon grammar or learning the grammar.
बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं, बहुत धन्यवाद है हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को और खासकर कुमुद रंजन झा सर को जिन्होंने इसको ऑर्गेनाइज किया और इतने अच्छे तरीके से सब कुछ व्यवस्थित किया और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सारे काम को